Hey everyone! Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For more helpful tips and content like this, cleaning your home daily is more important than you might think. It's not just about looking neat. It's about creating a healthier, happier space to live in. First, cleaning every day protects your health. Dust, dirt, and germs can build up quickly, and if they're ignored, they can trigger allergies, breathing problems, and even sickness. A quick daily clean helps keep your air fresh and your environment safe. Second, a clean home reduces stress and improves your mood. Waking up or coming back to a messy space can make you feel overwhelmed and unmotivated. But when your surroundings are tidy, you feel calmer, more focused, and ready to get things done. A clean space leads to a clear mind. Third, daily cleaning saves you time. If you wait a week or more, the mess piles up and takes hours to handle. But just a few minutes each day, wiping down surfaces, putting things back in place, sweeping the floor, keeps your home under control. No more exhausting weekend cleaning marathons. In the end, daily cleaning is an act of self-care. It keeps your family healthy, reduces stress, saves time, and gives you a space you're proud of. So start today. Clean a little every day and see the difference in your life. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips. See you in the next one.